I'm Hillary Hancock, and I'm a senior account executive at the trade group, and I want to dive into all things NPE East. I've been working at the trade group for over 7 years and primarily in the food and beverage industry. NPE East is coming up, and this trade show is perfect for emerging brands in the food industry. Whether you're focused on innovation, launching new products or services, or increasing brand awareness, there are tons of potential sales at this show. NPE East is primarily focused on East Coast brands, which represents 2 times more buying power than West Coast. My main goal at the trade group is to work with clients to be sure that their exhibit represents their brand in the best way possible. In my past 7 years working in the food and beverage industry, my team has learned how to make your brand stand out on the show floor. Our award-winning in-house designers know how to create an amazing exhibit that incorporates product display, sampling stations, or even full kitchens, whatever you might have within your booth. When working in the food and beverage industry, it is hard to make an exhibit both functional and great looking, and I know our team here at Trade Group has mastered that. Trade Group is a full turnkey exhibit house where we design and manufacture exhibits from 10 by 10s all the way up to full custom experiences. We offer exhibits for purchase or rental and can manage your assets after the show at our facility. Trade Group can assist you through the entire process from pre-show to post-show. Give me a call at 214-343-1000. We'd love to get the ball rolling on NPE East.